Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: Windows updated, a Microsoft account signed in, and the speech feature enabled. Once done, pick the voice locale and sample rate to match your project. This affects clarity and file size. Then open the speech settings or the Speech SDK Quick Start because you need the API keys or local voices ready. Make sure your output device is set to the one you'll test on. This avoids audio routing issues later. Now configure the voice and generation settings. Choose a neural model for natural timbre. Adjust speaking rate and pitch to suit your content since these change perceived emotion and duration. Use SSML tags to control emphasis, pauses, and phonemes where names or acronyms break. Then generate short clips and listen critically. Iteration is key because text punctuation and SSML shifts pacing. If you're using the SDK or the online portal, finish by exporting the polished audio in the correct format, WAV for editing or MP3 for distribution, and integrate it using the SDK, REST API, or Edge TTS. Make sure to cache files and verify lip sync or timestamps in your app. If something goes wrong, try a focused troubleshooting step. Check sample rate consistency, CPU usage spikes, and network latency for cloud calls. If voices sound clipped, reduce parallel streams or switch to a lower bitrate and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.